Today we're gonna go from this to this. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to fix one of the most annoying thing about this Lexus, the whole second generation IS250, 350 or ISF. Now let's see, you have something in your hands, like you went to the grocery store or you moving, you have a box in your hand. If you press this button right here, you'll hear the beeps. That means the trunk is open, but what happened is it's just sit there. It doesn't go up on its own as it should. Now a lot of you may think that your strut is going bad, but that's not the truth. The thing is, this is how this thing was designed, and today I'm going to fix that. All right guys, these are the new gas trucks that I ordered from eBay. I have the link in the description below. So now all I have to do is remove these trims here so I can get to the strut underneath here. These are old springs or stroke, whatever you want to call it, and this is our new one. As you can see, it's gonna sit there perfectly fine. Now all I have to do is we move these, so it's just a small flathead. You just have to try to get it in here, so you can lift up the this trim right here, and the same for down there. So for this side, you just lift that piece with the flathead, and for that one down here, you see that piece right there, all you got to do is lift it up a little bit, and then you can get this out. Now that we have the old one out, we're gonna put the new one in and see how it goes. Now to put the new one in is the same way. You see the hole is right there. I think all you got to do is put it in and press it in. We got this one in. Now we just have to put that one in like this, and I think that should be it. Yeah. All right, I'm about to close the trunk. One thing I realized, it's a little bit hard to close, and if I do it like this, you see how it went on its own. I don't know why it's a little bit hard to close, but let me change this one right here and see how it goes. Then again, it's the same thing. What you gotta do is just move it from here. Just leave that clip right here. You just leave the clip and we move it, and down there you just do the same process. Pull the clip up a little bit, and then this thing will come right off. All right, guys, let's see. Now this is even harder. I think I may just leave one of the OEM and then put, and then this side is just the aftermarket one, because now it's not supposed, it's really hard to close, really hard to close. All right, just like that, I took off one of the new struck and put the OEM back because it was way too hard to close. Even with this, it's kind of hard to close. I don't know if I will keep it, to be honest, because when you look at here, this is you see the line here, it's perfectly normal. Then if you come to this side, there's a big gap here, a little gap. It looks like the new spring is a little bit too short. As you can see, this is the OEM one, and if you look at here, it's a little bit longer. So the one I saw on Amazon, they said for the IS250 350 convertible, I don't know if they would fit in this one, this sedan, but I'm definitely gonna see if I can find no one that would fit in there properly. As you can tell, this is definitely a little bit shorter than the OEM. Now if you close the trunk, it'll close perfectly fine, but if you open it up, you see it'll go up. But the only thing is, I don't, to close the door, it's a pain in the butt, and I don't like the big gap here. It's just the trunk, it's not hitting how it's supposed to. Even down here, if you look at here, right here, and the gap here, it's definitely bigger. All right, guys, if any of you guys have done this before, let me know where you find those cast springs for this trunk, because the one that I just installed, it's not perfect. It's a little bit shorter, and as you can see, there's a gap right here. Like I said in the big canon of the video, I would put a link of this down here, but I don't think I will, because I'm not gonna kind of put a link of something I didn't like for you guys to buy. So it worked. It lift up, like as soon as you press the button on your key, it lift up, but it's not getting right. So today's video was kind of a fail, I would say. I mean, it worked, but it's not what I was thinking. So I thought this would fit this car perfectly fine, but it won't. If you fix this and you know where to find these cast springs, just let me know, and I will buy them myself to fix it. All right, guys, this is it for today's video. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one.